Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, November 4th. Happy Diwali Day for anyone who's celebrating this festival. If you're not familiar with this is a 5-day religious festival of light. Represents good over evil, and it's also a time when we think about lights. What's also represented here is an awareness of all things that come from a higher knowledge, and also an awareness of our inner light. That's part of this concept. But anyways, if you're celebrating that, I wish you a happy Diwali. You know, there's over 150 countries that watch this video, and there's a number of those countries who celebrate Diwali. Well, let's take a look and see if we had some happiness here in the Nasdaq market. I was looking for an unchanged, a slightly higher type movement. We basically had an unchanged type day as we finished the week out. Some of the other indices were a little bit stronger. This is just fine. I'm looking for movement back to the upside this coming week, though. My bias is still to the upside. We're seeing a decrease continue in the euro, which means we're seeing an increase in the strength of the US dollar across the board in these various currencies, except for the Canadian dollar. Now, the difference here between the bearish level and the bullish level here in the Canadian dollar, it's 49 ticks. That'd be $490, 49 times $10 per tick. And again, that's just a reference to give you an idea of what this magnitude of change means to us. I'm not looking for a super strong move here, but if the U.S. market continues to strengthen, well, we're looking for the Canadian dollar to continue to strengthen. So this market, I do have a bias to the upside. The other markets, right now, we're seeing that dollar continue to get stronger. And we're looking for a little bit more of the same as this coming week. In the interest rate markets, we're seeing finally some downward pressure here in the 10-year notes. I think that makes sense, and I'm looking for more of the same on Monday. In the metals markets, also as the dollar gets stronger, we're seeing continued weakness here in the gold market. I'm not looking for a dramatic move down, though, in this market. I'm looking for more of a sideways move when it comes to Monday. Crude oil also backing off more as the U.S. dollar gets stronger. This makes sense, and I'm looking for more of that kind of action. Well, when it comes to soybeans, we've gotten some fundamentals that came out from South America. Looks pretty good down there, and we're seeing some downward pressure in this market. Monday's action, I think the market's going to stop and take a breath, so I'm looking for an unchanged to slightly lower when it comes to soybeans. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.